Which bottle to use for drinking? Let's understand. Over a period of years, we have replaced almost everything with plastic, and majorly our drinking bottle has been replaced with plastic water bottles. As per a study, 1 liter of plastic bottle can have more than 2 lakh pieces of microplastics in it which are not visible to the naked eye. This is a shocking number, and frequent consumption of water from plastic bottles can lead to cancer in longer run as well. These plastic bottles generally releases microplastics in the water, plus while transportation it comes in contact with heat and release more plastics in the water. A simple replacement is replacing plastic bottles with 100% pure copper bottles or 100% pure steel bottles. Small changes today can be a savior for tomorrow. Plus, you are taking care of the nature as well. This information is just like a drop in the ocean. We help people with permanent weight loss, muscle gain, reversing and managing diabetes, thyroid, PCOD and other health issues. For customized plan of action, you can click on the link in the bio and book your call with me. You know whom to share this video with. Like, follow, share and save this video.